Nature Conservation Day, July 28. Theme: Protect Nature, Sustain Our Future. Significance: Nature Conservation Day reminds us our duty to protect, preserve, and restore our natural environment. It is a day to reflect on the impact of human activities on ecosystems and take action to ensure a greener, healthier planet for future generations. Why it matters: forests, rivers, wildlife, and air are not just resources, they are life givers. Conservation helps fight climate change, preserve biodiversity, and sustains livelihood. Each small step, saving water, planting trees, reducing waste, creates a ripple of positive impact. What can we do? Avoid plastic and single-use save electricity and water. Support eco-friendly and sustainable practices. Educate others about environmental care. Motivational message: Nature doesn't need us, we need nature. Let's be the generation that doesn't just talk about change but grows it, protects it, and lives it. Once, one tree, one action, one choice at a time. Importance of nature conservation in 2025. As we step deeper into 2025, nature conservation has become more critical than ever. With rising temperatures, extreme weather events, depleting forests, and vanishing species, the balance of Earth's ecosystem is under serious threat. Why it's crucial in 2025? Climate crisis intensifying. Global temperature and sea levels continue to rise, leading to devastating floods, droughts, and wildfires. Biodiversity at risk. Many plant and animal species are nearing extinction, disturbing food chains and ecosystems. Resource depletion. Overconsumption is draining natural resources like fresh water, clean air, and fertile soil. Health and survival. Human well being is directly tied to a clean environment. Pollution and ecosystem loss are increasing health risks. Conservation in 2025 means protecting forests, oceans, and wildlife habitats, transitioning to clean, renewable energy, promoting sustainable farming and eco-friendly living, reconnecting people, especially youth, with nature. 2025 conservation is no longer